Cats and stuff. Hey guys, and welcome back to the cat enclosure. Caramel and Sasha they're currently eating. The bowls we got them are sort of working, but it's not foolproof. There are flies everywhere. I don't really have much to comment on. Felt a bit tired today, which is why it's so late and I'm gonna have to do the nighttime one, I just realized. Also, those are growing. Wow, that's a lot. Well, that's all. That's it for today's short. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time on